Hey, what's up everyone? I'll show you right now how to replace the filter inside the sleeper and on Freightliner Cascadia. I think most of the new models are the same. I have this truck for like 5 years. I didn't even know about this filter. Somebody told me about it. And then I went to the dealer, and I got a brand new filter. Now this section right here underneath of that, it can be easily taken off the clamps. It has like 4 clamps or something, and then after you take this off, you can see the filter right here. It's not so hard to be reachable. My Cascadia is 2019, so this is the filter itself. Now look how filthy it is. This is crazy, man. This is crazy. This is exactly what you're breathing. I recommend to use something to clean up, like vacuum, maybe wash it up with some wet tissues and stuff like that, and then you can install your brand new filter. There you go. And this is I'll put that stuff back. Let me throw this one away somewhere in the bag or something, and then you just put this stuff back on. That's all.